Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm gonna be actually reviewing a solar charger wireless power bank from STOON. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna start right off with a quick unboxing and a quick overview. So we got here, it comes with a flashlight up to 165 feet, 260 lumen, 18 hours of operation for that flashlight, which is pretty good. So you're gonna have light. If you go camping for a night, you're gonna be just fine. This one comes with IP55 rating, I believe. So IP55, it is not necessarily submersible in water, but it'll handle some spritz, some sea spray, rain and things of that nature, and dirt. That's actually pretty good. All right, then we have here a 1 meter drop resistance, and here shows the IP55. The 18-hour runtime and lumens and so on. All right, then go ahead and start unboxing it. See what we got inside. Here we go. Let's put it to the side. And we have here the power bank itself. It's got a heft. You know what? Let me go ahead and get my little weight measure. I want to see what this weighs. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I guess this thing's got some heft into it. I believe it's 25,000 milliamps. Let's see. You're looking at about 16 ounces, 460 grams. Yeah, I mean, it's got some nice heft into it. All right, so I got that out of the way. That was my own curiosity. Let's take a quick look at it. Got a little rubber pads. Here's the on-off button. I'm assuming this is where the wires go in. So it's got 2 USB ports. It's got, oh, check this out. It's got USB-C and micro USB. See, I thought about that because, some people, like myself, have older devices. Okay, let's see. I believe that here's the instructions. I'm going to take a quick read and see how this works. All right, I take a good glance at the instructions, and the functionality of it is pretty straightforward. So basically, in order to find out how much battery you have left, you press it once, and these lights light up. Right now, I don't know if you guys can read it. Let me see if it shows it. It shows, let me see, 25, 50, 75% to 100. Right now it's at 75. And it also has wireless charging capability, which this is a Samsung S10e. I'm gonna put it right on top. I think I have to try it on. There we go, and it begins to charge. Not too shabby, huh? I'm going to put that to the test. I'm thinking about, right now my phone is at 31%. I'm going to time it for about an hour, see how long it takes to charge wirelessly and also directly. I do have a USB cord with me. This one it came with this micro USB to charge the device itself. However, I have my own USB-C I'm going to be using to charge the phone directly. I'm going to be testing how long, how much would it charge, you just putting it outside. I'm going to do that as well. Now, one of the main features of this specific power bank is the flashlight. You have to press and hold the power button and it comes on. If you press the power button again, it dims the light ever so slightly. You press the power again, it begins to flash like an SOS. And then if you press it again, it flashes really, really, really fast. See? Not too shabby, huh? All right. So here is the plan. Let me go ahead and grab my timer, put it right here. I'm going to go ahead and put the phone on top. Let me turn it on. There we go. We are charging wirelessly right now. Wait, no. There it is. Now we are. I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, because I'm going to give it about an hour. See, right now it's at 31%. I want to see, realistically speaking, if you're out in the wild, you want to give your wireless device about an hour to charge. Let's see how good it does. We'll be back about an hour. Alrighty, so I am about to reach the 1 hour mark. Here we go. There we go, 1 hour. So let's take a look. I was at 31%. and I am currently at 61%. So that's an average of 30% charging my phone wirelessly. That's not too bad, especially when you're out camping. If you don't need to use the phone at the moment, you just leave it in there for a little while in the tent, let it charge. You're bound to have plenty of charge for the rest of the night. I like that. All right. So here's the next test I'm going to do. Right now, I have about 50% of battery left. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the battery outside on the sun for, let's say, 4 to 5 hours, give or take. This is me basically pretending that I'm camping. I'm leaving it on the campsite for a while, so when I come back, I have plenty of charge. I want to see if I can at least get 25%. I say that's awesome. Let me get to that. Alrighty, so right now I am outside. Right now it's 12:14 past noon. I'm gonna leave it out here. Usually sunset around my area during this time of year, it's around 6:30. So yeah, that's about what, maybe six hours or so. So I'm gonna come back once sunset comes around and the sun is completely done. I want to see if it charges a little bit past half, because right now it is charging. It's barely moving. I can barely see it. Let me see. The lights, you can barely see them. Yeah, see, they're moving. Bloop, 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 bloop. You can barely see it, but they're moving, see? All right, let me go ahead and leave it there. I'm coming back tonight. Okay, just an FYI, it's been about, well, what time is it right now? It is 4:12. With the timer, it's close to 4 hours. The sun started to move and the shadow of my house was not giving it proper coverage, so I went ahead and moved it out to my front porch. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it inside. It's been roughly about 4 hours, and I'm gonna see how much charge we got. I'm gonna put it on the table. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. So it was at 50%. Let's see what we got. So it looks like 4 hours is not enough. It is still at 50% more or less, according to this. So I am assuming that if you were to leave it outside, the amount of charge it takes is not that high. So, but it still looks like it's charging some. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in directly to see, give it an hour and see if it fully charged being plugged in directly. All right. Alrighty, I actually let it charging for about 2.5 to 3 hours or so. I mean, it's a big battery. No wonder it doesn't fully charge. I mean, it's huge. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually try out how to charge, how long it takes to charge the phone and how well it does it when it's actually connected to the USB cord. And go ahead, I got my USB cord right here. I'll go ahead and connect my phone. My phone right now is at 34%. I brought it down again. I'm gonna get about an hour and see if it charges well. Here we go. All right, let's see what we got. So I got the timer just hit the 1 hour. So wirelessly, it went from 31% to 61%, so about 30% roughly. Right now, it's been an hour directly, and we got from 34% to 88%. So that's at least 20% more, at least. So obviously, from the looks of it, charging directly is the best idea. So that's the reason why I make these videos for you guys, so you can actually find out what the device is all about, how well it performs. And the next thing I want to do is, which I am excited about, I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow for this, but I'm gonna try out the flashlight because it looks like it's pretty strong. Okay, everybody, it is nighttime at the moment, and right now what you're looking at right now is some of the little electric torches I have in my backyard. And I brought with me the flashlight that I usually use when I go camping and stuff. Here it is, right? Standard flashlight. I'll show you guys in the next clip what this one looks like. And that is it. Let me turn on the one from STOON's. It's night and day, man. I'm telling you, this thing is ridiculous. For a moment, I forgot this was a battery bank and not a standalone flashlight. That's how strong this thing is. It's incredible. Even when dim, look, I dimmed it down. It's dim now. Still in comparison. The flashlight flashing, there you go. I'm gonna actually turn it on this way so you guys can see how it lights up further, because it lights it up really far. All right. Okay, so right now I am recording from the farthest edge of my backyard all the way to the other end, and you guys see this is my standard flashlight, right? And we got here about 60 feet from here to that end where that gate is. So that's my standard flashlight. Here's STOON's. There's my dog. Come here, Jackie. It's literally night and day. Even at the dimmest light, look, that is just, it really makes you forget that this is an actual battery bank and not a standalone flashlight. Good job, guys at STOON. Good job. Okay, everybody, so here's my conclusion to this battery bank. One, because of the flashlight, how powerful it is, it made me forget it was actually a power bank. Basically, for the past few years, this has been my battery backup. It's a 14,000 milliamp battery backup, and a basic Walmart flashlight that I got for like $5. I mean, they've been great, but this is about to actually replace all of this. And there's one more thing I want to tell you guys. I've had this for the past 3 days, so I got a chance to try it out, test it out, drain and charge it. It took about 15 hours to actually fully charge this battery, and it made me realize how massive it is. So with a full charge, if you go camping for a couple of days, you're not gonna be running out of the battery. Plus, the solar panel, let's say you actually hang it on your backpack or you leave it near your campsite exposed to the sunlight, it will top off whatever you may be using. So you're not gonna be actually losing any power. So my conclusion is, I'm gonna be using this. Literally, this is gonna be my staple to go to when it comes to battery backup and flashlight. I mean, it's ridiculous. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative. See you guys on the next one. Later.